775 to Mactan Cebu. Please be informed that rows 1 to 5, 12 and 14 are reserved for hot seat guests only. Kindly see that according to the seat numbers reflected on your boarding passes. Strongly discourage and authorize changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions and sensitivities. We thank you for your kind cooperation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our utmost concern, the safety features of this aircraft may differ from other aircrafts. We ask your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist, push end to buckle, and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oral tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water, and here is a whistle to attract attention.
Your guests, for safety reasons, passengers carrying e-cigarettes on board are required to switch them off and ensure that the batteries are removed and kept safely throughout the flight. Please be informed the charging of e-cigarette is strictly prohibited on board the aircraft. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. This is an important announcement as an added safety measure in light of all of us wearing face masks on board. We would like to emphasize that in the unlikely case of cabin pressure loss, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask. Oxygen flow will start once the mask is full. Please note it is normal for the oxygen bag not to fully inflate after activation. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin lights will be dimmed for your comfort. If you wish to read, we use the reading lights and then thank you. kayo ay mangailangan ng tulong, huwag mag-atubiling lumapit sa aming mga ground staff. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia, ni Kapitan Dennis Salumides, unang opisyal Mark Frances Valles at lahat na aming mga kasama, ako po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming pananabot hanggang sa muli natin pagkikita. Pagabot din sa Mactan Cebu, daghang salamat sa inyong pakiguban kanamo. Hinaot-untang nga magkita-kita patausap sa inyong mga sunod pang pagbiyahe. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mactan Cebu. Thank you for your cooperation in helping us to keep flying safe for everyone throughout the flight. We kindly ask that you continue to observe high standards of personal hygiene for the remainder of the journey through the airport. For your safety, disembarkation will be conducted in rows 3 with a short interval in between, starting from row 1. Guests waiting to disembark must remain seated, and standing in line is strictly prohibited. Your friendly cabin crew will guide you through the process. Thank you once again for flying with us today. Sa mga mahal namin panauhin, maligayang pagdating sa Mactan Cebu, kami ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pakikiisa na mapanatili ang kaligtasan ng lahat sa ating paglipad. Mangyaring panatilihin ang mataas sa kalidad ng personal hygiene sa kabuuan ng inyong paglalakbay. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, ang pagbaba sa eroplano ay magsisimula kada 3 hilera na upuan mula sa mga bubuksang lagusan. Panatilihin na agwat sa bawat hilerang bumababa. Pinakikiusapan po namin ang ibang mga panauhi na manatili munang nakaupo habang naghihintay ng pagkakataong makababa. Kami po ay nakahandang tumulong at maraming salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon.